Hi, today I'm with me Alcatel 1T10 Smart and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So we should first launch Gmail application, then tap on the right upper corner here, and to log out from Gmail application we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove account. Then just click by the same way to remove account to confirm your action. And now in Google account settings we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to Gmail app, and we could see here that we also successfully log out from Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.